Certainly. Here are some quick tips to avoid coughing. 1. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. 2. Wash your hands regularly to prevent the spread of germs. 3. Maintain a healthy lifestyle with balanced nutrition and regular exercise. 4. Avoid smoking and exposure to secondhand smoke. 5. Manage allergies and respiratory conditions effectively. 6. Use a humidifier to keep indoor air moist. 7. Practice good respiratory hygiene by covering your mouth when coughing or sneezing. Remember, if you're concerned about persistent coughing, consult with a healthcare professional.